Hey guys, I'm gonna try to make the intro shorter because they're kind of boring. And so, anyways, I hope you enjoy this. Leave in the comments if you want us to keep doing this intro where we play random clips like right now and then we voice over, or do you just want us to just get right into it? Better wake up everyone else. I can't believe Mom and the aunt
Don't need to.
already.
Wake me up.
I'll wake up Mom and Aunt Petunia.
Ready? Now.
Gosh. Why are you making those loud noises?
Jordan.
He'll wake up soon. I'll wake him up.
Hey, what's a racket? I was having dreams about me winning the skating championship until you ruined it, and I didn't even see if I got first place.
Well, you probably did if it was your dream.
Well...
Shouldn't we be going to school? Oh no, we're gonna be late.
Oh no! Mom, Aunt, you need to drive us to school. I'm so sorry. I'll wake up.
We don't have enough time to drive. Look, you have to assemble the car and everything. We have to go.
Let's
Hurry,
run.
take this magic carpet.
The teacher.
Take the magic carpet. Whoa. Nerve. Fall on this magic carpet. Whoa.
No! Jordan!
Hang on.
Okay. You guys, we're okay. We're okay. We're gonna make it.
Okay.
Woo! Crash landing! Is that there's a flying carpet on the loose and it looks like this.
Hey, that looks just like
Yes, Jordan.
if I were to have that carpet, how much trouble would we be in?
Oh, no trouble at all, actually, because I was wondering if it was on sale.
Okay, no, it's not on sale.
Whose is it?
Ours.
Oh. Well, not Shalento. Talent show
teacher.
time.
I'm so sorry. We have to end class early. Come with me immediately. There's something urgent I have to talk to you about. Just jump over here. Hurry, it's so urgent.
Yes.
We're going to have to move Jordan into a special class. And, class dismissed. Everyone, you can go now. Hello? Oh, you gotta say it. You're the teacher.
Class dismissed.
Whatever. That was a boring day anyways. I didn't want to go to school. Come on. So, which one's new? Special class. I don't know if he's gonna like it, and he might be. I have a test to see if he needs to be in class. I think we should talk somewhere else. Jordan's right there watching us.
Oh, sorry. Did you want me to leave? I was taking a nap.
Who the heck just talked? I don't know. It doesn't matter. This is what matters. We're gonna have to move Jordan and some of his friends to a special class.
What special class? Yes, Aunt Petunia, could you come pick us up? Because we're at school and we can't go unless you come, and we can't walk unless you walk with us, or else we'll get lost and we might drown in the sea because we live on an island. Bye! Hey guys, I came as soon as I got the call.
How did you come that fast?
Just get in the car.
Okay. You know these are like ducks, not cars, because these can also swim. I mean, float on the water like it is right now.
Yep, I do. What is your teacher doing here?
Oh, she lives in the garage.
Okay. We're here. It parks like this. Okay, guys, get out. Ah! I'm stuck! In the water! Oh no. We better, get the mom.
Oh, save you!
Ah! Help! I'm stuck!
Oh, can save her?
Ah, Jordan!
What's the problem?
Seriously!
Ah.
You're
I'm gonna get in the water! I'm gonna get in the water!
You're gonna make me fall!
I'm not fine right now. I'm not okay. I am not good.
Jordan and Skittery, get on my boat. Okay.
Wait, I can take this boat.
No!
Yes, I can save the day.
This is a mini boat.
Finally! Ooh!
That's a mini boat. Come on, guys.
Please don't be mad.
Oh, I won't.
Oh, I almost fell in the water. Look, I'm sorry, Sunset Shimmer. Look, I didn't mean to do this. I just tried to save the day. I'm really sorry. Didn't mean to do this. Or you can stay with me.
What? Seriously? I missed it? Again? This is a cruel rock to cut my beads. But who cares about that right now? You guys are my prisoners. And you will never get out.
Gotta turn over.
You can't turn off. What? You can only turn off, but you can't get up.
You have my rock. I can't break out.